Hey guys, it's Kristen, and thanks again for coming to Kristen K Creations. I have a wonderful new announcement. I was able to make a 2021 Etsy ebook going over how to sell on Etsy and how to build your business. I break down the Etsy 2021 algorithm for what we know about it to let you know how it internally scores your store. And I also talk to you on how to optimize your entire Etsy store, including titles and tags, and how to find those really important keywords and strategically put them in the right order. Here is the copy of my Etsy ebook. I've titled it Etsy 101. It is only $19.99 and it is very thorough and detailed. As I said, it breaks down the algorithm, SEO, and I go over topics such as photography, banner, logo, title tags and attributions, how to do reviews, customer service, things to avoid, packaging, advertising, everything you can think of, plus the years of my experience as a coach in this $19.99 document. I also have live links to great tutorials, free tutorials, and things that you can use to optimize your store, such as a great Etsy tool called Sell Samurai, how to use Canva, and much more. Also included in this ebook is discounts. I do have some affiliation partners with canva.com who creates amazing, hundreds of thousands of templates and pictures you can use for advertising, and with Sell Samurai and Etsy tool. And I have discounts available in there for you as well. So it is just full of information, and always the option to meet with me if you need one-on-one coaching of any kind, from small packages to large. It's available in my Etsy page, which is listed below. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell for the notifications for my new e-commerce videos that are coming up, and click like. It helps my store greatly. Thanks so much, and I hope you let me know how much you love this ebook. Bye.